Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your OPPO Reno 15F. So first, what you guys want to do is understand that not having battery percentage is not normal. So first, what I would recommend you all to do is restart the device to reset the battery sensor. This is the most common issue, so we're going to press the power button and the volume up button. Now we're going to swipe up to restart the device, and now it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and simply go to the settings. So we want to make sure that the battery percentage is turned on. We're gonna go to settings now, and they are loading. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over into the battery and scroll all the way down, and this is the setting we're looking for. So you might be looking for show battery level in status bar. So instead of going into the status bar and the personalized settings, we're going straight to battery, and here we can still find it. So as you guys can see, I do have my percentage enabled and I can see it, but if you guys also do have it enabled and you do not see it, what you guys want to do is go over and download the Battery Widget app. So this will tell you if the issue is only with your phone or it just does not read battery at all. So we're gonna go to Play Store, and I am using the battery. It's the Battery Widget, and it's the Reborn one. It's made by Thomas Kubalik, and this is one of the best widgets for the battery that I've used in my life. So now it's only 11.5 megabytes, so it's not that much, and it is really customizable even for a free version. So we're going to click open. Now we're going to click on start manually here and click on consent. What are we going to do is we're going to go over and let's delete this widget for now, and we're going to click on widgets. Now we can go for Battery Widget Reborn here, and we can add this one. Of course, we can change it, and now we got the 70% right here. It is matching the percentage here. But if you see 0 here, or you do not see anything else but the empty space, then you might want to go to the authorized device support and tell them about the issue, and it's probably a not working battery sensor. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.